To add a second browser to your list of browsers that you can use to preview your web page, or to change the primary and secondary browsers, go up to File here and click on it. Then go down to Preview in Browser here and go down to where it says Edit Browser List and click on it. A Preferences window will appear and you'll see that Preview in Browser is already selected. So if I go over to this area here, you'll see in this list box I can add browsers to my Preview in Browser list. Right now you'll see that since I have Internet Explorer installed on my machine, it says iExplorer and it gives me the shortcut key that I can use, which is F12. If I go down to where it says Defaults here, you'll see it says Primary Browser and it's checked. This is telling me that Internet Explorer is the primary browser for viewing my web page. So when I click Preview in Browser, this will be the browser that opens up. If I want to add another browser to my list, over here where it says Browsers, I'll click the plus sign. An Add Browser window will appear, and I can give it the name of the browser, which in this case will be Firefox. And next, where it says Application, I have to put in a path of the location of the Firefox application. So I'll click Browse, and usually it will be in the program files. Over here it says Mozilla Firefox. I'll double click on the folder to open it, and then you'll see my Firefox.exe program is right here, so I'll click on it once and then click Open. Underneath Application, I can set this as the primary or secondary browser right here. So I'll click Secondary Browser and then I'll click OK. And now you'll see that Firefox appears in my list and it has a shortcut of Control F12. Now if I'd want to remove any of my browsers, I can just click the minus sign here and it'll go away. If I click once onto iExplorer, you'll see over here where it says Defaults, Primary Browser. If I want to change these, since I have iExplorer selected, I'll click on Secondary Browser instead of Primary Browser. And then I'll go up to Firefox, and you'll see that nothing is selected. I'll go ahead and click Primary Browser. And now, Firefox is my primary browser. One of the things you'll notice is that the shortcut keys change. The shortcut key for the primary browser is F12. The shortcut key for the secondary browser is Control F12. Once I've made my changes, I'll click OK. Now, if I click F12 on the keyboard, you'll see that the web page opens up in my primary browser, which is Firefox. If I close the browser by clicking the X here and click Control plus the F12 on the keyboard, you'll see it opens it up in the secondary browser, which was defined as Internet Explorer.